So a sirometer is a tool that's mainly used in small engine repair. It's fairly inexpensive, but it's a tool that we can use to identify frequencies of a vibration. And the way it works is as you set the tool on the vibrating component, and as you thread that wire out, the changes in the length of wire changes that wire's then natural frequency. And eventually what you'll notice is the end of the wire starts to vibrate and oscillate very rapidly. And when it does that, that's basically telling you that it is matching the frequency of the vibrating component that you're measuring. So once you find that that frequency, then on the face of the tool, it'll show you what the frequency is matched up, and then of course we'll use the RPM to determine if it's a first order or second order vibration. So you can kind of think of this like tuning a guitar. You know, as you tighten the strings, you change the tension, it changes the frequency. And as I thread that out, that's really what I'm doing, is I'm trying to tune that wire to the vibrations of the car. And as you can see here, we found it about right there. Now, of course, it changes a little bit as I started with the high RPM from starting the car. It's best if I let it set, warm up to low RPM. So it changed slightly throughout the course of recording this video. But once I find that, I can look on the face of the tool and see there's a pointer on it that lines up to the frequency. And in this case, you can see that 40 Hertz was what was measured. Now, the RPM of this engine right now was about 1100 RPM. So if we do the math real quick, you see that 40 Hertz lines up roughly to a second order vibration, which is true for a 4-cylinder engine. A second order vibration is its natural firing frequency.